Hey, Supin. Do you use public transport often?
Hi Ruwani. Yes. I use the bus to go to school every day.
That's cool. I usually ride my bike. But sometimes I take the bus too.
Riding a bike sounds fun. Why do you take the bus sometimes?
When it rains or when I feel too tired to bike. The bus is convenient.
I agree. The bus is really convenient. Especially when the weather is bad.
Do you have a favorite seat? On the bus?
Yes. I like to sit near the window. So I can look outside.
Me too. Looking out the window makes the ride more enjoyable.
What do you think about the trains? Have you ever taken one?
Yes. I've taken the train a few times with my family. It's faster than the bus.
I think so too. Trains are great for longer trips.
Do you find public transport crowded sometimes?
Yes. Especially in the morning. When everyone is going to work or school.
I know. It can be hard to find a seat during rush hour.
That's true. But I like that. Public transport is cheaper than a car.
Absolutely. Plus, it's better for the environment.
That's a good point. Fewer cars mean less pollution.
Have you ever had any problems on the bus or train?
Once. The bus was really late. And I almost missed an important event.
Oh no. That must have been stressful.
It was. But now I always leave a little earlier just in case.
Smart idea. I should start doing that too.
Do you think public transport will get better in the future?
I hope so. Maybe there will be more buses and trains.
And hopefully, they will be on time more often.
Yes. That would make traveling much easier.
Definitely. Public transport is really important. For a lot of people.
It sure is. I'm glad we have options like buses and trains.
Me too, Supuni. It's good to know we can rely on public transport.
For sure, Supin. Let's hope it keeps